So I've been using the Moto G Power 2026 for the last few days, and I'm going to go ahead and talk about some of the things I really do enjoy about this device. All right, everyone, so first and foremost, this is a battery beast. This has a huge 5200 milliamp battery inside of here, coming up, of course, from 5000 milliamps. Of course, we don't have wireless charging on here, but we still have that 30-watt charging on here, which is still pretty solid overall. But as far as the battery on this device, this is going to be a very long-lasting battery. For some of you, you're going to be able to get 2 days of battery life out of this device. So if you guys are power users out there, you guys play video games, constantly scrolling the web, constantly watching YouTube or on Instagram, and you need a device that's sub $300, this device is going to last you the entire day. Absolutely love the battery on this device. One of my favorite things about this device so far. Next thing I really like about this device, and I've kind of already talked about this, but the design of this device and the form factor is so nice and classy. Of course, we have the eco leather on the back of this phone right here. We have the nice little accents right there, the shiny blue accents or shiny indigo accents that kind of mesh well with the color, and of course go around the camera lenses right here. So yeah, one of the nicest looking devices that is under $300. I think this honestly is the nicest looking $300 device. I don't know what other devices you can bring up. I just think this looks extremely classy. It feels extremely nice, very grippy, and it feels natural as well when you just pull this out of your pocket. Also, it's not the heaviest phone in the world either, so that's another pro about this device. Really do enjoy the form factor and the overall look of this device. Next thing I really do enjoy about this device has to be the ultra wide lens on here. That's one of the nicer things that we got on here. Obviously, with the ultra wide lens, you can fit a lot more into your subject right here. So if you guys want to take photos of a group of friends, you want to take a photo at a family reunion or just a huge building, this is going to help you a lot. And this makes this camera, especially for $300, that much more dynamic. There's not a lot of super dynamic cameras out there. Now, I'm not saying the Moto G Power 2026 camera is the best in the world, and we're going to be doing a full review on that very soon. That is probably going to drop tomorrow. You know, it offers a pretty dynamic experience for $300. You really can't go wrong. Love to see that there's an ultra wide lens on this phone. Great to see it. Next pro is going to be the overall build quality of this device. We have a very good build quality on this, and the ruggedness is also very good. As you guys know, we have Gorilla Glass 7i that has been upgraded from Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so we have a much stronger display on the Moto G Power 2026 edition compared to last year's 2025, so that offers this phone a lot more ruggedness. Also, we now have IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance. Of course, immersible up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. So if you drop this in water, it's not going to be totally destroyed instantly. You guys are going to have some time to go ahead and fish your phone out. But great to see that we have a insane ruggedness on this phone while also looking very classy and very sexy. And last but not least, this is especially for the people out there that hold a ton of photos, hold a ton of videos. We have expandable storage via micro SD card in 2026 on the Moto G Power 2026. That was one of my favorite things to see on this device. I honestly thought they were going to get rid of this and maybe just put a 256 gigabytes of internal storage inside this device for the base model. But we have 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and we also have the option to expand our storage via micro SD card up to a terabyte. So if you have a bunch of videos, if you have a bunch of photos, a bunch of different files, stuff like that, you guys are going to be able to expand your memory. Great to see in 2026. It is honestly not a common thing, sad to say, but it's just nice to see that in a phone that's $300. All of the $600, $700, $800, $900 phones do not have this option unless you're like going overseas to China or Taiwan or Korea. Great to see that on here though. Amazing stuff in 2026 Motorola. But yeah, those are the 5 reasons to buy the Moto G Power 2026. We're going to do a video on the 5 reasons to not pick this device up. But if you guys have some reasons to pick this up, leave them in the comment section down below. What are your favorite things about this device if you've picked it up in your last few days of using this? I'd love to hear down below.